kulang kasi sa prayer ang kanyang relasyon, ang kanyang marriage. Speaker, as the chairperson of the Committee on Women and Gender Equality and as a legislator, my decision to vote in favor of the divorce bill is grounded in a profound sense of duty and compassion for our fellow citizens. Hayaan niyo pong i-share ko sa inyo ang karanasan ng isa sa mga babaeng ito na in-interview ni Boy Abunda. For more than a decade, she was subjected not just to physical abuse but also to emotional, financial, and psychological abuse. Up to the point na nag-uuwi ng kerida, several in fact, yung lalaki, at pinipilit ang wife na magluto para sa kanila. At ang pinananakot sa kanya tuwing umaangal siya ay hindi pag-aaralin ang kanilang mga anak.